Hey guys, what's going on? Darryl Addison at Torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison, Torpedopot.com. These are strawberry planters. Aren't they just beautiful? And they are so loaded with strawberries, dude. I'm estimating I could probably do about 500, 700 strawberries on this. And they're so hidden. And they're beautiful. And it's just clustered all over the place. This one planter, we did 100 strawberries. From this alone, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So about 20 in this cluster right here. And as we start to move around, we get to see more of the same within their clusters. And it's just absolutely beautiful. And so we're going to have a very huge harvest of strawberries. They have two types of strawberries here. Guys, these are torpedopots. These are self-growing planters. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in that planter, and it grows your food for you. You don't have to grow your food anymore. And so we have two types of strawberries here. We have the everbearing, which is the lighter green, and look how beautiful they are. Isn't that amazing? Oh my gosh, that is absolutely stunning. That's torpedopot, guys. And look at the life buzzing around. The little insects trying to get to the flowers and make sense of life. Aren't they beautiful? Well, they bring birds back. They restore your environment. Guys, these are torpedopots. They grow your food with no human intervention. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in that planter. And I want you to see what happens, dude. Life takes a turn. It's a beautiful turn. So I came out today to really pick some strawberries. And so why don't you pick it with me? Here's one right here, right? One. I ain't walking by eating them. I'm going to try this one too. I'm going to try this. Is that okay? Yeah, let's try that one. It's a little green. Maybe not. I'll wait. I come back every 2 days and I just come and pick them off. And I hope I don't kill them. Yeah, I know. Be very careful what I do here. I want to beat the birds to them, you know? Oh, look at the bluebirds. Isn't the bluebirds gorgeous? Yeah. These clusters are amazing. You'll get a lot of blueberries too, but let's go find some more strawberries. This planter has been giving me a lot of strawberries. I don't know why. The smallest of all of them. Guys, these are torpedopots. Dude, they grow your food for you. All I did was put my strawberry plants in this planter, and guess what? I don't ever have to buy strawberries again. They come back over and over and over and over and over again. You buy them once, and you have them forever. I've got to split these up into different planters because there's so much goodness in these planters. Torpedopot grows your food when nothing else does. You simply put your plants or your seeds in the planter, and guess what it does? It grows food like you've never seen before. And it's so gorgeous. It's so beautiful. So, so beautiful. And it grows it perfectly. You won't see any blemishes on any of our fruit because we know how to grow it. So, it's about you finding what you want to grow, what you want to eat, and getting it and eating it. Isn't that amazing? That is so pretty. Man, that is so pretty. Isn't it gorgeous? That is so beautiful. My gosh, that's beautiful. It's all natural, guys. This is an organic growing process from Torpedopot. Well, all you do is put your plants and your seeds in this planter, and it grows your food for you. You never have to grow your food again. And it grows it better than anything you've ever seen before in your life. That was pretty good. Let's try you right here. And I like it because, isn't that beautiful? I really want you to appreciate that. That is beautiful. That is absolutely stunning. Man, this is the food you should be eating. It's the food you should receive in your body, in your life. And it should be. Food is beautiful, guys. Absolutely stunning. Let's pull this off. Man, I love that. Sheesh, man. Let's see if I can pull this off. Like Amity. That's gorgeous. Guys, these are torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters. What they do is that they grow your food with no human intervention. All you do is drop your seeds and your plants in this planter and you walk away. They grow your food for you. You don't have to worry about it. And they do such a good job of it. Isn't that beautiful? Man, that is so beautiful. You know, I can't wait till them things turn. Man, all right, well, listen, I just wanted to share this with you because when you're walking by, you see strawberries, you don't realize how much you're missing till you take a small turn and then you try to get what's there. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? That is so beautiful. So beautiful, guys. And so, make a wrong turn, right turn to try to make this thing work out. Oh, yeah. All right, so Darrell Addison, Torpedopot.com. I've only got like 800 more to go. And I'm so happy with that. I'm so happy with that. Darrell Addison, Torpedopot.com. Talk to you guys later. Okay, bye-bye.